many people's blood in a battle as a soldier. God said to David, "One of your sons will build the temple for me, not you." God kept talking, David. Rather, I will do it. I will do something for you. I will make you a great and famous king, and your family will be king in Israel forever. At first, David was very disappointed. Even if he was not allowed to build the temple for God, he did not give up doing something for God. He thought of a plan to gather stuff such as gold, wood, jewels, etc. to help his son build the God's temple more easily. He ordered his people to bring stuff. The people brought enough stuff to David. After, David also organized teams to manage and look for God's temple. And David and choirs made new special songs to praise God. According to this story, we can see David had a passion for God. So this story made me reflect on my life. Sometimes, from time to time, I have nothing, or even I have no passion for God. So I decided to need to have a passion for God. Thank you. Listen for me.